All right, let's talk about how you can sort data by ascending or descending order in Excel. So here we just have some random data, and we want to sort first by revenue from largest to greatest or from ascending to descending. Now there are a couple of different ways that you can do this. I'm going to show you one way that I commonly use that's pretty quick and easy. So basically you want to highlight the headers for all of your data and add a filter. Now keep in mind that if you only highlight this one column and add a filter, it's only going to sort this one column. So if you want all of the rows data to follow that revenue amount, select all of the headers in your data, go up to the data ribbon, and select filter. And that's going to add a quick filter here. Then we can hit this little drop down and we can sort from descending to ascending or ascending to descending, or smallest to largest, largest to smallest. So in this case, we'll select largest to smallest, and that's going to sort all of our data. Now this also works with values that aren't numbers. For example, if I wanted to sort by the state or province alphabetically or from ascending to descending, hit this little drop down and then hit sort from A to Z. And then once you want to get rid of this filter, you can simply unselect the filter and that will go away and your data will stay sorted. And that's how you can sort ascending or descending, largest to smallest, or alphabetically in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.